What's happening YouTube for Tech TRX, back in another video, and today we're looking at the Feiyu Tech SCORP-C. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's open this up and see what it could do. Here we go. Packaging right here with some literature right here, little foam there, and then the gimbal itself. Let's take this out. There it is. Release plate right there. Comes with a little stand, some accessory box, and that's it for the box. Here it comes with a bunch of cables. USB-C, USB-C to audio jack, USB-C to micro USB, USB-C to USB-A. It's also the lens mount and some Allen keys as well. Now there are two options when you're balancing these. Put it on a stand like so. This one is a retractable stand that is built in with the gimbal. Track this back when you don't need it. There you go. Or the other option is to use the tripod on the bottom here. There you go, and then you could just do this. Whichever one will do. So there it is. On our camera right here on our Lumix, we have the two mounts. I've put in the small one and then the big one on the bottom. Big one is the one that's attached to the Feiyu Tech, and the small one is giving me clearance so that I can have allowance for a bigger lens. Lots of space there as well. It is also hooked up on the USB-C right here so that you can control it. It's connected up here on the remote jack of the camera so that you can control it from the gimbal. On the Feiyu Tech as well, there's two ports right here. And if you want to adjust, you would just pull this lever down so that you can slide your camera over. On the side as well, there's an unlock and lock and unlock right here for closing the quick release mount. Each arm also has a lock like so. Great when you are traveling. You want to lock your gimbal, then you'll be able to do that with that. Same goes over here and over here. Few buttons as well, like a trigger, which can be used for selfie mode. A and B button, customizable as well. Control face and analog right here. Record button, manual mode where you can change what type of shooting you're doing. L and R button, and also the automatic switcher. This is used if you want to use the arm or you want to hold it the bottom right here like a normal gimbal. It's also the knob that's customizable to whatever you want. I use it right now for the focus motor, but you can use this for pan tilt as well. Now once you've balanced your camera, you can use this to adjust. There's a little red dot right there. You just put it right where the hole is like so, and then next time you want to balance, you'll just align everything to that hole and you're good to go. The side has a power button as well right there. The other side is the FPV mode. At the front, there's also two USB-C slots for accessories. Right now, the one is connected on there. Is powering up the Feiyu Tech focus motor. Now, the app we need today is the Feiyu Tech SCORP. We're just going to download this and then we're going to pair via Bluetooth our Feiyu Tech SCORP-C. Basically, with the app, you'll be able to control your gimbal straight from here without even touching it via Bluetooth. As you can see, there's a few options here, like it has its own joystick and you can change as well. But one feature that I really like is the phone control mode. Pretty much uses the gyroscope or the orientation of your phone to be able to just tilt your phone and it'll control the gimbal like so. Now you can use the app as well to rotate your camera, the portrait mode, and also the selfie mode. Like so, you can also change the pan, tilt, and roll by locking it as well. But of course, there's also the joystick mode. If you want it all manual, you can do that as well with the app. Now the next feature is the scenario, where you can use it for a time lapse, a motion time lapse, also panorama, and different modes that you can customize to. This is really cool when you're taking time lapse and motion time lapse of landscape and also sky astrophotography or something like that. This is really cool for that. You can also take photos on 3x3, different you can, which is customizable as well if you want it bigger. So you could see all you need to do is set it up in the app and press start shooting, and it'll do everything for you. Of course, there's a motion time lapse as well where you could set 4 different points to whatever you want, and then you just again you can hit the start shooting and it'll do everything for you. There's even the preview button so that you can check it out first before you start shooting, so you actually have the right spots that you want to go to. Now, for my experience, I really like this. It has everything that you need. It has a crane handle, it has the joystick, and also you can control your camera from the control center as well without touching your camera at all. You can also use the tripod that is provided there so that you can have it pressed against your body, and then you'll be able to have an even more stable shot. Now, if you are a traditional gimbal user, you can also use it like this. I find that this is also nice to hold in the hand. It's pretty stable as well, and it also has this back part so that you can even stable it further, and you can control it from there as well. Double click the trigger button, be able to use it for selfie mode right there if you are doing vlogs. And then there's also the portrait mode if you want to use it for TikTok or portrait style videos. The wheel here you can customize to also pan, tilt, and roll. It doesn't have to be for the focus only. It's really up to you how you want to use it. Here's a little video I've made to test the gimbal. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the SCORP-C by Feiyu Tech. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos to come, and to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.